Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, bro. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, today we are going to discuss about South Indian cinemas. And okay, and then we are going to discuss about the films in the South Indian films. Okay, so bro, uh, I think you'll start. We have questions, right? Yes. I want me
Yeah.
to go first. Yeah.
You want me to ask questions?
Yeah. Not question, just start. Just tell something about South Indian. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Can I turn off the video? I mean, just
Okay, okay, no problem.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Coming to the South Indian cinema, we were a bit special in Indian cinema. We have different flavors of cinema combined Tamil, Malayalam, and Telugu. If you see Telugu, most of the films here were mainstream, like commercials. They have some formula, and they go with that formula. If you see Tamil films, it's combination of both.
Yeah.
They'll balance both mainstream and also they'll do experimental films. In fact, experimental films do well rather than mainstream in Tamil. And
Yeah.
coming to Malayalam, they are completely supernatural, super realistic, and very good with their work. Uh, they have excellent technicians. Actually, in Malayalam, the the directors and the writers were different. Uh,
Yeah.
it's not like one guy who directing screenplay writing, not like that. So that was the reason they were producing the fantastic stuff from Malayalam. So as of now, I don't know about Kannada cinema. I've
Yeah.
seen KGF and couple of films. Uh, Heard about Rakshit Sethi
Yeah.
who will do some kind of experimental films. That's it about South Indian films. Coming to the techniques, directors here. Coming to the directors in Telugu, uh, as I said, Telugu is mainstream driven. Rajamouli, Trivikram, also a couple of Koratal Shiva, a couple of guys were
Yeah.
doing well. I mean, top of
Puri
the league.
Jagannath.
There are, yeah, Puri Jagannath. Puri Jagannath is in slightly.
Yeah.
Uh,
War
he
Mass.
I have to raise. And in our industry, like Tarun Bhaskar, Gautam Tinuri, and
Yeah.
also Rajwari Anagar, director, his name was, I
Uh,
forgot his name.
Kiran.
But,
Ravi Kiran Kola.
yeah, Ravi
Yeah.
Kiran Kolla.
Yeah.
And Sandeep Reddy Vanga, Arjun
Yeah.
Reddy.
Yeah.
So, so we were trying to reach the flavor of Tamil cinema by making commercials and also experimentals. So we are on our way. And Tamil
Sorry,
films,
bro, I got stuck. Can you please say
there
that
are
again?
legends in it. Like what?
Yeah, I got stuck. Can you please say that again? The commercial cinema.
Yeah. We were trying to balance the commercial cinema and also, the artistic cinema, the small cinema. We were, going to balance that by these guys were striving to change that. As I said, Tarun Bhaskar, Sandeep
Yeah.
Reddy Vanga, and these couple of guys.
Yeah.
So as of now, it was in developing stage. Our industry, I mean, regarding these films.
Yeah.
So coming to Tamil industry, there were legends like Mani Sir, Gautam Menon, and Vetrimaran is
Yeah.
emerging. So if we speak about Tamil directors, most of them are from Telugu. somewhere experimental and artistic. Like Shankar is kind of mainstream, and
Yeah.
I don't know, mainstream characters in Tamil, but Tamil is more experimental. And actors Surya,
Yeah.
Karthi, Telugu we have the makers who wanna make those films, but actor support is less. You can't go and tell a story without sound fights and make convince a star in Telugu, but you can in Tamil. So that was the difference between Telugu and Tamil. Coming to Malayalam, they are completely story based. The actors were down to earth. They'll make all kind of films and they'll master making films. That's it.
Yes. Sorry.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah, for me, I would like to say that yeah, in last 3 4 years, I think Telugu cinema is
Hello.
evolving a lot. Yeah, in the last 3 4 years, Telugu cinema is really
Yeah.
evolving a lot. Yeah, like films like Kara,
Yeah. Yeah.
Kanjirapuram and Arjun Reddy
Yeah.
came.
Kera Panjalapalam. Yeah.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
Arjun Reddy, and they had Mahanati, and
Yeah.
yeah, and it looks like, and they had Rangastalam also a hit. And still it's a commercial kind of film, but it didn't have a story, yeah. And
Yeah. Yeah.
Jesse and then now I love
Yeah. Jersey
Jatirathnalu.
Gautam.
Yeah, yeah, I really love Jatirathnalu.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's very hard to make
Okay.
a comedy film at 2021 because now there is a ruling and meme ruining world. Okay, so
Yeah.
now it's very hard to make a comedy film that was really
Yeah.
funny. Okay, and but Jatirathnalu I watched
Yeah.
it 4 times or something. Still, each
Okay.
and every time I'm watching, I was just laughing out loud for the entire film. Yeah, I really loved.
Okay.
My favorite film of this year was Jatirathnalu. Yeah.
Okay.
And in Tamil, yeah, because I'm from Tamil Nadu, so I think I don't know. It was a mix of everything. Like you said,
Yeah.
there is a mix of mainstream and experimental films, and but still there are few films like there are a lot of films. That, there are a lot of mainstream films also collecting a lot, and these films,
Yes.
the experimental films, failed to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think the film not failed to
Actually,
do that. I
Asuran
think
did that.
yeah, sorry.
Asuran did that. Asuran
Yeah,
collected
yeah,
well.
yeah. Because Asuran had a Dhanush is like a star and actor. Okay, he's a combination of both, like
Yeah.
Kamalas and
Yeah.
everything. Yeah, but
Yes.
you cannot depend on like Vijay Sethupathi kind because he's a very good actor, but you cannot depend on him. Like it's very hard for you to believe that he, his film will collect a lot. Yeah, yeah, good.
The
Yeah,
last
yeah,
one about Vijay
yeah.
Sethupathi, the voice
Yeah.
was break.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can depend on Dhanush. Okay, like definitely whether it's a commercial film or a experimental one. Okay, he'll definitely collect a
Yes.
decent. Okay, he'll have a decent collection, but
Yes.
you cannot depend on Vijay Sethupathi because he did a lot of films and few films didn't collect a lot, but
Yes.
still it's a good film. Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Sorry, I got
Yes.
stuck
Yes.
again. Can you please say that? I've got stuck again. Sorry. No, I cannot hear
Yeah,
you.
that's true. That's
Yeah,
true.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, and like, but recently the actors started experimenting. I can say, yeah,
Yes. Yes.
recently,
Yes. Yes. Because some films
yeah,
made them believe that
yeah,
experimental films also do well, and audience were changing.
yeah, because
Yeah.
Ajit acted in Nerkunda Pavai and Vijay acted in Master. And because I think that's because the industry is evolving. Okay,
Yes.
yeah, and yeah,
Yeah. It's
yeah.
changing.
Okay, and Malayalam cinema is like you already said that they have different writers and they have different directors, and that that is the biggest strength for them. I can say.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, because the co- collaboration between the writer and director for so many years, like Satyan Antikad and Srinivasan. Okay, uh, yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Continue.
yeah, yeah. That yeah, yeah. Do you know Srinivasan, the actor, the actor
What?
Srinivasan?
What?
Srinivasan, the actor in Malayalam.
Actor
Yeah,
Srinivas.
yeah,
Can you tell me some of his
yeah.
film?
Nyan Prakashan. Did you watch Nyan Prakashan? Bhagat Vasul's Nyan Prakashan.
No. I'll say a couple of films that I've
Okay,
seen in Malayalam.
wait.
Bangalore
I'll see.
Days, Kombalangi Nights.
No, he's not in that in those films. Okay, wait. Have you watched
Wait,
Love at?
I'll
Okay,
see in
yeah.
Google.
Sorry.
I'll see in Google. Wait, just
Okay. Yeah,
Srinivasan, right?
yeah, Srinivasan. Because he's a great actor, but he's a great comedy actor then, and now he's doing a lot of supportive roles and all. And he's a writer. Okay, he's a the he he used to write, and in the film he used to act as like a comedian or a supportive role. He
Yeah,
used to have that role, and the film will be directed by Satya
yeah.
Nantika. Yeah, because they were doing the collaboration is for 30 years or 35 years plus they had this collaboration. I don't know how many years, but for more than 35 years they have this collaboration, and still it's they were doing a lot of good films. Okay, so and there are a lot of great
Okay.
directors in Malayalam like Priyadarshan, Fazil, and
Hello.
yeah, yeah, there
Yes,
will
yes, yes,
yeah, and
yes, yes, yes. Continue.
yeah, and even in the 2010s, in the last decade, they have a lot of directors like the Srinivasan sons. Son become director. There were two sons become directors. Yeah, uh, and
Okay.
uh, and then Anjali Menon and Geetu Mohandas and
Yeah,
Joseph Pelisari and Rajiv Ravi. Oh, there are a lot of
yeah,
great directors in
yes,
Malayalam. Yeah,
yes.
yeah, and yeah, like Malayalam cinema, like they were way ahead of every industries, because even in 2021 they come up with these many hits. Okay, like they come up with the Great Indian Kitchen, the Shim 2, and Naya 2, Arkariyam,
Yeah,
Kala,
yeah.
yeah, and like there are a lot of things. Okay, so Joji, they come up with Joji.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, because like, even this 6 months, okay, in these 5.5 months, there are very less film released in all the languages, but in those, if they release 10 films, means seven was really good. Yeah, in Malayalam
Okay.
industries.
Yes. That's
Yeah,
true.
yeah. So that was a great quality. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Then.
Okay. I have a question about
Okay.
theater experiences
Sorry. Question
in
about?
Tamil, which in
Sorry, your voice is breaking. Your voice is.
question is like, okay, I'm asking. Hello, am I
Yeah,
audible?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
my question is about theater experiences, especially in Tamil. So my question is like, uh, after watching most of Maniratnam films, I decided that I wanna see his next film in theater. So I went to
Okay.
Kaatruveliyandal, Chelia in Telugu. It's right,
Cartridge.
Kaatruveliyandal,
Right,
something like that.
yeah.
Okay, I went to Chelia to see how audience react for his films. I don't know how audience react for his films. Yeah, in Andhra. So the theater isn't houseful. I don't know why it isn't houseful in first day. Actually, I went for matinee or for sure matinee. Uh, it's a bad talk generally. for mass audience. So I went to some kind of B center theater, so it's empty almost.
Okay.
After film started, I'm like I've involved. I've started involving into his universe or into his film, but some people before me just leaving. I never seen people leaving from starting of the movie. They're just like Kati's voice or is starting, and they're just leaving. Where is the opening song, something like that? They're just leaving. But I'm watching with full concentration after that. So how it was? I mean, not only this Telia, what was audience? Like if it's mass movie, people will just through
Yeah.
papers and stuff like that and do some noises. So
Yeah.
how it is in Tamil for Manisar films? I mean, it's like that massy, or they'll watch it
Yeah.
silently and
Yeah.
standing ovation at last,
No, no,
clap it for them.
no, it's not like that. But they have a huge respect for money. Okay, if you watch a lot of films in released in 2000s or something, they,
Hello.
yeah, yeah. Sorry,
Okay.
yeah, they didn't have a lot of respect for him. Okay, like if you watch the films, if you watch the films that released in 2000s, 2010, and in that time and all, they just give Anis a reference. Okay, and they always say, hey, I like. For example, in a film, yeah, Kushi, right? Yeah, it was remade in
Yeah.
Telugu.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. In Tamil, it was
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, in
Yeah.
Tamil, yeah, in Tamil, it had Vijay and Jyotika, and Jyotika used to
Yeah.
say that I like Maniratnam, and Vijay say that okay, yeah, he's a great director, and like because everybody says that he's a great director, and but a lot of his films didn't have a great reception. Like for example, Carter Lady didn't have a great reception. It was the biggest flop in his filmography. But Chekkachivanam, because of having Vijay Sethupathi
Yeah.
and Vijay Sethupathi, like he didn't have
Yeah.
fans, right?
The
And yeah, and
cast
Simbu,
and
yeah, Simbu and
yeah.
Arun Vijay and
Also,
Arvind
music
Swamy.
is plus point for them.
Sorry,
Yeah.
the music. Sorry.
Music is also the plus point, major plus for the film.
Yeah, yeah,
Music,
yeah,
in
yeah,
that
yeah.
film.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. In all Anisa films, the music was really good. Yeah. Even I'm a very big fan of
Yes.
Kara
So, what was
Cartability's
the? I
album.
mean, you
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, I really like that film. I don't know why people hate it. Even after OTT release, my friends were like, "What is this film?" But I really liked
yeah. If it's
that
not
film.
bringing a
There are
controversy,
shades
I'd
of
like to say one thing
social
that
redemption. There are say
yeah,
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 yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, if it's not going to be a
yeah.
controversy,
There
I would
are
like to say yes. Sorry, I got stuck again. Can you please say that?
yeah. Continue.
Okay. Yeah, like yeah, if you compare both
Hello,
Carter Velide, yeah, if you compare both Carter Velide and Arjun Reddy,
hello. You're not
yeah,
audible. Hello,
yeah. Wait, yeah,
hello,
bro, yeah. Can you hear me now,
hello,
bro?
hello.
Hello, bro. Yeah,
Yeah. You're
yeah,
audible. Tell me.
yeah,
Yeah, continue.
yeah.
It's not gonna be
If
controversy. You wanna tell what?
yeah. If you compare Arjun Reddy and Carter Velide, it had the like a baseline was like
I just thought the same and told my friend that see Arjun Reddy made with some kind of masala, so, some kind of
yeah,
violet stuff,
the
so it
mask
became
and
it. And Chelia as in did, but the story is same. In fact,
yeah,
he went to
yeah,
uh, more deeper than
yeah,
Sandeep.
yeah,
It
yeah,
didn't it work. Same thought flashed into my mind after seeing Arjun Reddy and
yeah,
Chelia.
yeah,
The
and
baseline almost all same.
yeah,
Hello,
yeah. Yeah, can you hear me now?
hello.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Uh, it's slow.
Hello, bro.
Hello.
Hello, bro. Hello, hello,
Hello.
hello, bro. Hello, hello, bro.
Just turn off
Yeah,
your mic and
yeah. Can you please? Can you hear me? Yeah.
Zoom. Zoom. Hello.
Yes.
I'm not.
Yeah. Hey, you are. Can you hear me now, bro? Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Hello.
Yeah. 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 Hello.
No. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Just plug in your earphones. Plug in your earphones. Just plug out and plug in. So,
Yeah. Can you hear me now, bro?
uh,
Can you hear me now?
uh, it's not audible. It's
Hey,
problem
bro.
from
Bro.
your
Can you hear me now?
wait. Just a second. Just 1 minute. I'll
Okay. Okay.
bring my mobile.
Okay. Yeah. And you said you told this to your friend, yeah, that Chelia and Arjun already have the same baseline, and then
Yeah. The both were similar, plot and stuff. But the drop and money sir things were made some differentiation between two films. The plot is same, but Arjunity became big hit because of it, violence or there are some kind of things that excite childs, some kind of drugs
yeah,
and stuff like that. They'll feel like heroism things.
yeah,
So that's because of that it became hit. And Chelia is, it's completely underrated. He
yeah,
really worked hard for it. I mean, those
yeah,
locations and the backdrop and a really fantastic film. why why
yeah,
it didn't work out?
yeah, yeah. I
Yeah,
think
yeah. What was your
Chakachurandavan is
experience
a
of?
bit,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, but Chakachurandavan is the film that collected a lot for money sir film. Okay,
Yes.
the,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. I think it's because of the star.
Yeah.
It has few stars.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Plot
but
wise,
money sir is
he
the
haven't did,
yeah,
he just remade The
yeah,
Godfather. Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
but the screenplay and the music, and he decided he wanna make it's completely intentional. I think so. The Chelia effect.
okay, maybe, I guess,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
And yeah, but Manish is the one guy who had hits with all the big stars. Okay, like he had a hit with Rajini, he had it with Kamal Hassan.
yeah,
Yeah, he had it
yeah.
with
Everyone
Nagarjuna.
waits in queue for his car.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, he had it with Nagarjuna, and he had it with like
Shah
like
Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan, but it's not a hit. But like he had done a film, that's it's an underrated one again.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, and he had done two films with Mohanlal. Yeah,
Yes.
Lalitan. Yeah, one was a Malayalam film, and another was Iruvar in Tamil. And then he did, and in again in Talapati he had Mammootty. Like
Yeah.
yeah, and until he made the stars to fit in his in his films. Okay, Yeah,
Yes, yes,
yeah.
yes, yes, yes.
And Nayagan is a Nayagan is a Manisha film. Like Talapati is a Manisha film, but it had stars. Okay, it had Rajini, it had Kamal Hassan.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes, true.
and then
What was
sorry.
Have you seen Chakachavitavanam in theater? Nawab in theater?
Yeah, Chakachvanam I watched in theater, but yeah, Chakachvanam I watched
Yeah,
in.
yeah, what was the fans'
Yeah,
reaction?
yeah,
When
they were
they were
enjoying.
shouting
Yeah,
something like
they were
they were getting
enjoying.
excited. Yeah,
Yeah, they were
yeah,
enjoying because it has the mass things, right?
yeah.
Because everybody have the like mass
Yes,
entries,
yes, yes,
and the climax was absolutely brilliant. Like the twist, yeah, like everybody
yes,
loved it. Yeah,
yes, 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 yes.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
My dream was to watch Mani sir and JVM's film in Chennai to feel that ambience because you people know
yeah,
better than them better than us. Yeah.
yeah, kind of. Like,
Even people here like them, but
yeah,
there is no such type of his our director. There's not like that. But their movies do well here too.
yeah, yeah. And speaking of GVM, even like his last film is not a big hit. Like, it didn't work for many people.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, Jnana Pandita,
yeah, yeah,
I loved it, but not for many people. Okay, but the last one that
yeah.
worked a bit was Achaman with Malameda worked a bit. Not didn't become a big hit, but it worked for a few people.
Which film? Which film?
Achaman, yeah, that I Achaman with Malameda, and in Telugu it was Sagasam Swaga. That
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Super. I like
Naga
it. I like
Chaitanya,
it. Sasan was well.
Nandiva.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes. It's a beautiful film. Hello. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
And then,
The first half was really brilliant with
yeah,
Rahman sir filled it with music and
yeah,
stuff. But second half might have been. I mean, it's he made it naturally, but it seemed better if he made it in some different way
yeah,
in Telugu because Naga Chaitanya, acting is different, completely different from Sindhu.
yeah.
Sindhu is some kind of talented, so he haven't made us exciting in second half with his acting. He might have.
Like, Game Chalvi also a big hit in Telugu, right? Like,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because of that climax.
yeah. It has a positive
But
meaning.
you seen? Have you seen the climax of Telugu version?
Yeah, I've seen it. I'm a very big fan of Samantha. So how can I not watch
Yeah,
that? Yeah, because
yeah. It's
moreover, I
became
watched
big hit
like
because
yeah, I watched the Telugu version 3 or 4 times. Yeah, yeah,
the platform is also good because he's a star kid,
yeah,
so the reach is high,
yeah.
and also
And
music
moreover,
is
he was
extraordinary.
good for yeah, I think he's good for the romantic films. And Nagarjuna was good for
Yes,
romantic.
yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yes, he's fine actor. He's
yeah,
learning from
yeah,
film to film.
yeah,
Yeah, he's not like a nonsense actor. He's a fine actor. That's why Jeevan choose him.
yeah,
And he's also accept his dates or his stories
yeah,
because it's director's call.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Actually, he pitched the script for Mahesh Babu.
okay,
You know that?
okay. What? He did. So sorry. Say
He
that again.
he approached Mahesh Babu for that script. Vinatandi Varavaya in Telugu.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
He
yeah.
said that you know, yeah,
Yeah,
you
I'm
know
hearing you. Yeah.
the justice is elder than Karthik, right? He haven't liked that point. It's some
Yeah,
kind of silly reason. It's not a commercial. That's it. So he rejected it. But he preferred, I think so, for now.
yeah,
If
but
it's my age,
if
it
Mahesh
will be in
acted it,
different
yeah, it
form.
will be a
Yeah,
blockbuster, I think. Yeah, if it did
a
well, yeah,
blockbuster, definitely,
if they did well, it will become a blockbuster, and if they didn't,
definitely.
yeah, and if they didn't,
Yeah,
it will become
definitely do
a flop.
well.
Yeah, yeah, like
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. If they I accepted Mahesh in that role means it will become a blockbuster. Otherwise, it will become a very big disaster. Both it will
Yes.
have the chance for both things. Yeah,
Chance for both things. But Mahesh
yeah,
is a person like he just surrender to director's call. He just listen to the director. He's
yeah,
only do those hero things only when choosing the script. He doesn't change and stuff like that. He just surrender to director. So it will became it might have been became hit if I
yeah.
haven't pitched the script. Yeah. So Chaitanya got the luck.
And yeah, but if Mahesh did a film like Bharatinayan, like how can I say, everybody will love it, right? Like the film, the guys who didn't like mass films, okay, even they will like the films like
Yeah.
Bharatinayan, yeah, and yeah, it was a perfect film. Like how can I say, it had the elements of
Oh,
Mahesh, and it had a good story, and it made a lot of
yes.
sense. Yeah,
Yes. Yes. That's true.
yeah, and films like Alavikundapuramlo, or yeah, it was
Yeah.
the every five things, everything worked for me because that is the only Allu Arjun film that worked for me. Other like I've watched 10 or 13 like films, but I didn't like a lot of his films. This is the one which worked for me.
Uh, okay.
Yeah, and
Uh,
yeah,
like is Irwar worked in Tamil?
no, it was a flop.
No,
It was a
I
flop.
think then it's most underrated.
Like, like lot of somebody's joined. Manjeet,
Yeah,
yeah,
Rhythm John.
yeah, yeah.
Have you seen Varnamayiram in theater or in TV?
Yeah, that is the first GVM film I watched in theater. Like I was 6 or
Oh,
something.
I see.
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
we went to theater
So
because
at
it
six
had
we can't feel this. Uh,
we went
what?
to
What?
theater. Yeah, we went to theater because it had Surya. Like, yeah, yeah, star.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, okay.
But at six we can't feel the film completely.
Sorry.
At the age of six we can't feel the film completely.
Yeah, yeah. Why he
Yeah.
left? Okay. Yeah. Mm, yeah, and 24 worked really well in Telugu, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Because there are two reasons.
Okay.
Uh, Mahesh Babu's Brahmoswan released it,
Yeah.
parallel with it.
Yeah.
So it hasn't worked. So people want to go for a film. In Telugu, it's like that. If they fix it, if it's Sankranti, some kind of festivals,
Yeah,
they'll
and
fix.
May,
They wanna
yeah, it released in May,
go.
right? It released in May.
Yeah, May it's summer, I think so. But
Yeah,
if they want to, if they fix, they'll go. They'll go with talk. So everyone came to watch Brahmosam, just shifted and seen it 24, and also they liked it. Positive talk in it. So Vikram also had this hits back. I think Manam and
yeah,
another film. So it worked. It really worked. Telugu. Tamil,
yeah,
it's flop. I think so.
yeah. It's kind of flop. It's not a, yeah, it's not a flop, but how can I say? Like, it was a below average kind of hit. Okay, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah, but it was a very good film. But I don't know why they didn't like that. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, and Surya and Karthi had a great marketing in Telugu, right? How 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 uh, how it
Yes,
created?
almost
How
an
it
equal market.
okay? How it created?
It's created because uh, I don't know much about this, but
Okay.
whenever I used to be a child, they all dubbed you know dubbed those their films in Telugu from the very first thing. I mean, maybe from third film like that. So they all dubbed their films in Telugu. So we used to watch in TV Chiranjeevi film, Allu Arjun film, Mahesh Babu film, or Surya film, or Karthik film. So so we generally watch films in TV like anyone else in India. So we used to them, and their films were a bit different from Telugu, right? So we liked them. So that's how it happened. Like, and they choose good scripts, which Telugu people like mostly. So they got those. Even Vijay don't have that market in Telugu,
Yeah,
uh, and not even Ajit.
yeah,
So Surya is equal to Rajni sir in Telugu,
yeah. Because still,
almost.
I,
Yeah,
Ajit is a great. Yeah, still, I, I, Ajit is a Telugu guy, okay, but still they love they love Surya. Yeah,
yeah, they love.
yeah, yeah,
And
and yeah,
also,
yeah.
Gajini worked very, uh, big in Telugu. From that film, they started watching all of his films, I think so. And for Karthi, it's Avara also worked fine in Telugu.
Our
Avara.
which film?
Yogani Kukkadu. Avara means Harish Jairas, Tamanna,
I don't know about idea.
Tamanna, Karthik. There is a car,
Yeah,
they
Paya,
kidnap.
Paya, yeah,
Like
yeah. It
that.
was composed. The music was composed by Yuvan Shankar. Yeah,
Hello?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Right,
Yovan
yeah,
Shankar Raja, yes.
yeah.
And
Sorry. Yeah, Paya.
also Yogani Kukkadu. It was Yogani Kukkadu, Yogani Kukkadu. Your one. So, what that Mari Selvaraj director.
Mari Silva. Pariyan Kurman.
So Selvaragavan,
This
Selvaragavan.
Silver Raghvan. Yeah, this I this Logan. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that film we went mad for that film.
Oh, yeah.
Just like
It was
yeah,
the biggest flop in Tamil. Like it was a very underrated
yes,
film
I know.
in Tamil.
But it became cult after after the TV release.
Okay.
That's why two
Yeah,
happening,
yeah.
I think so.
In re-release, it was a big hit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, I think Upiri was a big hit, right? The film was
Yes,
Upiri, right?
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Tola.
Upri is
Yeah,
blockbuster here.
yeah. Even here in Tamil Nadu because they love Nagarjuna. Like he acted in two Tamil films before, and they all love his
Okay.
films. So like because they went to the film. Because I went to the film because Nagarjuna was there, not for Karthi. Because
Okay.
I I like Nagarjuna then Karthi, and lot of people went to theater for Nagarjuna then Karthi. Yeah, because he didn't have fans, but he didn't have like a fan base kind of thing like Jay, Ajit, Surya.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. He's a person like he didn't have a fan base, but his films do well. Just people come and watch.
Yeah, like how
That's
yeah
what for Karthi.
we'll say like that he didn't have haters, okay? He didn't have any haters.
Hello.
Yeah, he didn't have
Yeah,
haters, okay?
yeah, yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, what about
Uh,
Sultan? Yeah, Sultan, how it worked in Telugu?
Sultan, I think it didn't work in Telugu. I haven't seen
Yeah,
the film,
even
but
okay,
no one
even
talked.
here it was like here it collected a lot, but it not many people loved it. Yeah.
One thing I can say was after that Khairi, people have huge expectations on him.
Yeah, yeah.
So that expectations
He
also
created a fan
became
base. Yeah, yeah.
yeah. So it's very that expectation put him in danger zone. He have to make the good film than Kaiti. Then only it will work
Yeah.
in that range. So that will happen for every star. His next film have to be some kind of different, or it has it have to cross that before film Masi or whatever things in it.
Okay. So I would like
Yeah.
to ask you one thing that, if you don't mind, because you are Telugu, right? I hope you don't mind.
Yeah.
Like, because we have watched a lot of Telugu films, we have a lot of Telugu dubbed films. Okay, like, it has like, the casting was more of a same in all the films. Like, it has Brahmanam in every film. It has Kosani Murali Krishna and
Yes.
Ganila Kishore, and like, yeah,
Yes.
like,
Yeah.
they were
That.
repeating in each and every film, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll say why that's happening. As I said, it's mainstream film. If if for suppose Brahmanandam acted in one film, his comedy worked out, then the director thinks if it's Brahmanandam, it will work out, and he'll put him in another film. He don't think about his script and character. He just put the cast he like, or the cast people, the person who created some craze in people. Like, you seen Pilli Choopulu?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Priyadarshi.
yeah,
He
yeah,
did a
yeah,
fantastic comedy.
yeah,
He
yeah.
got
I
lot
think,
of
yeah. I think
offers, and he
that is the
played,
first film
but
which come
he
up with a lot of new cast, right? The casting was
yes,
really
yes,
fresh.
yes. That film is kind of some kind of revolution in Telugu, because after that film, lot of small filmmakers were coming and doing films. Sandeep and lot of films. That film showed the path. Like Bahubali showed the path of bigger scale films. Pelli Choopulu showed the film for experimental things in Telugu. So after that, Priyadarshi got lot of things because he got craze. He just on Instagram memes. Everybody talk about him.
Yeah,
Everybody
they both were really good.
uh,
Priyadarshi and Rahul Ramakrishna, they were really good.
yeah, really good. But Priyadarshi haven't made that much comedy after Pelli Choopulu. Uh, he got roles, but he haven't made that much
Yeah,
comedy
he
because
acted in a lot of
there,
Nani films, right? Yeah,
yeah, yeah. So that's it. So people, directors here mostly think if he if if some person worked in one film, he'll just pick them and put them in the other film. That's it. So they don't think too much about the caliber and the character. They just go with that numbers. Yeah. But for small films, you'll definitely don't find them repeated.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like, okay, and wait, just okay, what I'm trying to say. Okay, yeah, like, acted in the film named Malaysian, right? Yeah, Malaysia. What's the?
Malaysian, I
Yeah.
haven't seen it.
Okay.
I've heard about it.
Yeah, even I haven't seen that film. I thought you must have seen it. Okay. Okay, just leave it. And okay, what, since your name is Pavan, okay, I would like to ask, the
Yeah.
madness, the like, it's not madness, like, it's like a fan thing for Pavan Kalyan. Uh, what the, they were going really mad. They were going, the craze was like, yeah, yeah, okay, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Just talk, just
Now
tell what.
his quiz isn't that much now because he entered into politics. He got some break and stuff. But in the days uh, he used to be hero. He's like God. I mean, why don't? It's not about acting. It's kind of swag, coolish, or some kind of style in him. Some kind
Yeah,
of
yeah,
he's
that goes
turtle with
for, yeah, in
yeah. Yeah.
Telugu, yeah, every actors have that fan base, right? Like, Mahesh
Yeah.
Babu have that, Allu Arjun have that,
Yeah.
like, Dhoni, they
Yeah.
have that. Everybody have that, kind of a craze, like, they're going mad.
Yeah. The go mad. Uh, it's continued from the olden days itself. I mean, for NTR, Krishna, and all the actors, they just transform from their the actors to their sons. But lot of what's a good thing in Telugu was if he's a star kid, people not gonna accept him if he don't act well. He have to prove himself. Then only people gonna like him. So if you see Akhil,
Yeah.
he's he's son of Nagarjuna.
Nagarjuna.
Naga Chaitanya is also son of Nagarjuna. But Naga Chaitanya is doing well, even though Akhil has a good support from family and industry. People isn't started liking him, but I haven't made a film that really impress a lot. I like the Hello made by Vikram,
Yeah.
but people haven't started, so it's like that. Even any hero, any started or any person who have fans, people only like him if he gives
It will.
content or gives act well or do the things that we want. I mean, the people want mostly.
Okay, and yeah, like now this my God, Navin Policity is like like emerging a lot, he's
Yeah, yeah,
emerging.
a lot.
Yeah, so I don't know whether how it's gonna next 5 years, how it's gonna happen, like how they
He only do
how
well
you
if
yeah.
he only do well only if his film works. If it doesn't, no one will care him. That's for sure. Because he's not a star kid. He don't have any support. If he choose films wisely, uh, the one who I wanna give an example. Do you know Varun Tej
Yeah, yeah.
and Sai Tej?
Yeah, I know. I haven't seen his films. I haven't seen.
Okay,
I've
okay, okay.
watched only one film. Yeah.
Okay. You how many films you seen from Varun Tej
One Tej. Yeah,
filmography?
Mukunda. Mukunda. I've seen
Uh,
Mukunda, and that film with Rashi Khanna. Yeah, that was a very good film.
Toli Prema,
Thoroughly Prema and Fida.
Fida.
Yeah,
So Fida
and
is a very good story. Okay.
yeah, and I watched a few other films that was not so good. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So you watch his first film and also the last film only because he's picking up a very different script, and scripts mostly work, maybe sometimes fail, but script mostly work. Now coming to Saidam Tej, both were star kids, both were from same family and stuff. Saidam Tej failed to pick good scripts. He's just going with mainstream completely, and nobody uh, was caring him. So
So
it's like
he's
that.
also
It's
from
like,
Chiranjeevi family, right? Yeah.
yeah, the both were from Chiranjeev
Yeah.
family. So now Varun
And
Tej
he's
even
the
got
elder son,
faced
elder brother of Vaishnav Tej, right? Yeah.
yeah, Vaishnav is recently came.
Yeah.
Utpal.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Navin Polishetty is also like same. If we do well, then people, the fan base going to generate. Or else, like for Vijay, the fan base was generated with Arjun Reddy.
Okay.
Uh, there has to be some film which only few films generate that fan base. Pelli Choopli is a big hit rather than Arjun Reddy, depending upon numbers,
Yeah,
the
because we have
investment.
seen him Javadi Subramanian, right? We have seen him in Javadi Subramanian and they love him.
Subramanian.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the fan base is not there for Vijay
Yeah.
until Arjun Reddy released.
Okay.
Pelli Choopli is also like that. It became hit because of the comedy and the story, and Vijay got, we got to know who is Vijay. We know him after that, but there is no fan base. We know him. We know him. That's why we went to Arjun Reddy. But after Arjun Reddy, people gone mad, and now there is a fan base.
Yeah,
Like
and every
Vijay.
film of him is like they were noticing in even other states they were noticing each and every film. Okay, of JB.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Now he's a fan base, so he. But Navin Polishetty hasn't got that fan base till now.
Yeah.
He's well known in Telugu, but he haven't got the fan base. He have to do some films. kind of love story or some kind of massy thing, some kind of deeper dramatic thing to get that fan base. Drama always works in Telugu. Yeah, yes, that was his future. If he get a film like Arjun Reddy or like Feda or like some kind of complete story, then he get a fan base. If he only thinks to make a film hit by
Just because he's there.
calculating numbers,
Yeah.
uh, it's not gonna happen. It takes some time for Naveen Polishetty. Vijay is doing fine now. They both were emerging. Vijay is already emerged. Naveen is emerging.
Yeah, and even like you said, like in yeah, before Bharatanavi, Anini or something, yeah, and before that
Yeah,
he didn't have he had a lot of disasters like Spider-Verse disaster and
yeah.
Brahmastra, sorry,
Brahmotsavam.
yeah, Brahmastra, yeah, kind of confused with that Hindi film, Brahmastra, has been going to release, yeah. So I'm just confused with that. Yeah. So like
Yeah,
he didn't have a proper hits, you know. That he had
yeah.
a lot of yeah, like okay. Did you guys go to like did you guys went to the theater? Go visit the theater if for a director, okay, or you just go for a
Yeah.
actor's film or directors in that.
In Telugu, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I generally go for director,
Okay.
not because I'm a bit, you know, artistic. But what's funny was sometimes if it's NTR film or if it's Mahesh Babu film or it's Pawan Kalyan film, something drive me just go and watch in theater. It's star, never gonna see like something push me to go to theater. That was it will it happens unconsciously. I don't know. I'm going to film because of my showing that. I just go, just flow. That's it.
Yeah.
On directors, very few people go, into go to films in Telugu. Only depends on the director's name. If there is a combination of director, they'll see combination director and the hero, or they'll see only hero. But they don't only go for only the director's name. Mostly, only few people.
Yeah, even it happened to here and like yeah, but okay. So we have spoken a lot about Telugu films. Let me move on to Malayalam. Okay, we haven't spoke about it. Yeah. Okay. Telugu.
Malayalam, I don't know. I haven't seen too much Malayalam, but I've loved what I've seen. Very,
Okay.
very few films, and I'm gonna see. I want to explore all of the films someday. Get this free time, then I'll continuously watch all films in Malayalam. Fast for series and for some of that.
Yeah, and one thing is like that I said I was born in Kerala, right? Like yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
my first 2 years were in Kerala, and then my dad was born and brought up in Kerala. But, like he's like a very big fan of Lalitan and okay, he's not Lalitan and the term like Lalitan means
What?
yeah, Mohanlal they call Lalitan as yeah, they
What? What?
they yeah they call Mohanlal as Lalitan.
Okay, okay. I don't know. I don't.
Lal means like brother, okay? Yaden means his brother,
Okay,
okay?
okay.
Yeah, and Lalita,
We call him as the complete actor. Like,
oh yeah, yeah,
tag.
yeah. And like Mamuka, I don't know why they call Mamuka is Mamuka. Okay, and there was
Mammootty is megastar.
yeah,
Megastar.
yeah,
I will.
but they call Mamuka. I don't know why.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, but my dad is a very big fan of Lalita and Mamuka. Then Rajni or I mean, he didn't like them at all. He like Vijaykanth a bit, but he's a very big fan of Lalita. Okay, so uh, even I have grown up in Ooty for 2 years. Yeah, I have lived in Ooty for 2 years. So in that time, everybody around me was Malayalis. 95%, 96% around me was Malayalis. So there was a lot of Malayalam films. Then, like, yeah, from 80s itself, they were evolving. Okay, from 80s.
Okay.
90s, and 2000 was a little bad, I can say. 2000 was comparatively the 80s, 90s, 2000 was really bad, and again, 2010s they
Okay.
were as it started evolving, like new generation directors came, like Eric Chinoy, yeah.
Yeah.
So in even in 80s there are a lot of great, yeah, in 80s there are a lot of great films, you know. Like, like they were just awesome. They were just simple and yet brilliant. Yeah, yeah,
What's your last line?
yeah. Yeah, it was simple but brilliant. It was simple yet brilliant.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think.
yeah, it's true. Their
Yeah,
acting, their performances were certainly. I mean, they don't do our actings unless the
yeah,
script demands it.
yeah, and they don't like the and they didn't have Buddhism is there. Okay, they were
Yes,
supported,
yes.
yeah, but like if you see Faghat Fazil, like he his first film released in 2003 or something. It was directed by his director father, his father passed. Okay, uh,
Okay,
yeah, but that film was a very bad, and everybody like bashed him. Like he bashed his father. Like how dare you can bring your son to act? He didn't know nothing about acting. Like they were just
okay,
bashing him. And then he went to US, and
okay,
after 6 years he came. In 2009 again he come back, and then after 2010, 11, and he started emerging. And now you know
okay.
how like one of the if you want to make a list of three best actors in India, I can say without taking on some, yeah, yeah, he
Which film?
now, yeah, yes,
Actor.
yeah. Forget was. If you ask
Yeah, yeah.
me,
Okay, okay.
top like one of the best. He's
Yeah, he's
undoubtedly
the
one of
top.
the
He's
best.
the top.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
because he like when he entered as a Nepo kid, nobody accepted him, and then
yeah.
he came as a Farid Fazil, not as a son of Fazil, and they accepted
Yes,
him.
yes.
Yeah,
That's true. That's true.
yeah, and
Actually,
he proved it.
yeah, my first film in Malayalam, I think so. It's Bangalore Days. After Pramam, everyone knows Pramam. Everyone knows Pramam here. It's a big hit. It's Malayalam film, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Prem.
yeah. Uh, so Bangalore Days, and just started the film. Okay, it's going well. I really like the film. It was one of the best films I've ever seen. I don't know why. I liked it. So this Fahd Fasil came and just he's looking like Uncle or
I've got
he's
goosebumps. When you said Farid Fazil, I've got goosebumps.
yeah. It was the first film of Fahd Fasil action. I don't know him at all until that film. So Naziria is so cute. He's Uncle. What is this combination? And he's playing like Uncle. What's his character in act? And just laughing. I mean, and just kind of he's and acting in that film. His acting in that film is
With his
little subtle.
eyes.
You can't tell he's a good actor because if it's your first film of his, because there is no shades, no variations, just going subtle with that software. His software in I think so. I don't know. Just going neutral, and I'm liking the both Nivin Pauly, Nigeria, and also Dulquer Salman's acting and the music story and Parvati's role. And at the end, I satisfied. And then I've searched about the actors. So after uh, a lot of days, I've seen Kumbalangi Nights. Just it's like, oh, this guy, he's in Bangalore days. Let's see the film. And after I'm doing completing the film, I was like,
Yeah.
it's
Saying
fantastic, phenomenal.
Boomerang Nights,
So
okay. Yeah.
he played like uncle in that adult character in Bangalore. He lived that character. That's it. He is not that. So I realized that he acted so well in Bangalore days, and again I've seen Bangalore days for him. So that's all.
And
And also trans also. I like
yeah.
trans also. Yeah.
Yeah, and if I'm okay, and if you if anybody want to know about Bhagat Pass, they just I'll always say that just watch Rumalang just one just take a screenshot of that scene, yeah, and that particular scene is enough to show the power of Bhagat Pass. Yeah,
Yeah. He just
yeah, and
play the role with his eyes. Just he uses his
yeah,
eyes and do miracles.
yeah, and do you know who acted in Bhagat Pass's role in Tamil in Bangalore days?
Actually, I know. Wait. I know it made in Tamil. It released. Is it released?
Yeah, it released in 2016.
Huh?
Yeah, it released in
Released
2016. Yeah,
2016. I searched for internet for that film. I haven't find. I wanna see Tamil
it
version
was
also.
a bad film.
I
It was a
think
bad
the car.
version.
Okay, Rana,
Yeah,
Samantha, and four more people. Siddhartha.
yeah, Rana
Who,
fits the
who,
role, and the flashback was Samantha. Then for the Indian movie,
okay,
they had Samantha, and they had Arya, Bobby Simon, and Steve. Yeah, for
Arya and another one,
Bobby Simon.
Bobby. Some other film.
Yeah,
Can't remember it.
Neram. If you watch Neram,
No, I haven't seen.
and Jagadanna. Yeah, it was remade in Telugu too, but I don't know the name of it in Telugu. But it was Jagadanna in Tamil. He won the national award for Jagadanna. Bobby Singh. Okay, but
What his name?
Bobby Singh.
Wait.
Yeah, okay, I'll text you. Okay. Yeah, and
Okay,
yeah,
okay. I
yeah,
got him. I got him.
yeah, and then okay, yeah, but yeah, I think have you watched Thattatin Malayalam? In Malayalam,
Which film?
Thattatin Malayalam.
Can you say it again?
Thattatin Malayalam. Okay, wait, I'll type it here.
Tamil film?
No, it's a Malayalam film. It was remade in
Ah,
Tamil. Yeah.
oh, I think I haven't seen this film.
Okay. Okay.
Wait.
Yeah. It has Nivin Palwati.
Okay.
Yeah, it was directed by Vinny Srinivasan. Okay, the son of Srinivasan. Okay, he directed this film, and uh, watch this film first, and then watch Bangalore Days. Will become even more special. Yeah. First watch Malayalam, then watch Bangalore Days, and it will become even more special in its own way.
Okay. I'll watch it.
And yeah, and how Premam in Telugu, how it work in Telugu?
Uh,
Prema,
you're asking about
Prema,
Telugu remake or
remake,
original film?
remake, Prema.
Remake worked well because they changed certain things which suits Telugu. Remake worked well, and Nachitan is also in good form. And Premam, there are a
Original.
lot of uh, there are fans for Malayalam Prem, so all of them went to see it again. So it really worked well. At box office too, it worked well. I think so.
Yeah. And okay, then do we have anything to say? Because we have got just 8 minutes to go, and then after that,
Okay.
the recording will stop. So, do you
Okay.
have anything? Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Just
So we just wrap it up the faster.
uh, I want to ask about like Manish films. That how people react instantly in theater. Like his films has a lot of sense, has a lot of visuals that we have to think for certain time to understand it. Right? There are some kind of hidden meanings in it. Will people naturally, instantly get at that theater, or for me, if it's GVM film, I just feel instantly because he is completely linear with the visuals. He might non a bit non-linear with story, but it's completely linear with visuals and stuff. I feel that whatever he wanted me to feel, I just feel with that film instantly. But with Money Sir, it's not like that. I feel 50% of it, and I feel another 50% after film. After watching film, I used to think about it. Oh, this scene intense. This in Ravan, they were walking in water. Intense. The Rama, crossed that ocean. Some kind of. And there are a lot of scenes like that. So will you people guys used to Manisar's direction from you know
No, but
from
like
start itself?
yeah, yeah, but
Yeah,
few old people will get like few like yeah, the guys who grown up in Nayagan days, Kalapati days, yeah,
they'll get it. They'll get
yeah,
it instantly.
yeah, because they know him from the very scratch because he did some bad films and then
Yeah.
he come up with Mohammed and then he started rolling the industry in 2 years. Okay, so they know who he
Oh,
is from the very first thing. And we guys, okay, we for us he introduced as a legend, okay. Yeah.
what?
So
What?
for, for us, he introduced as a legend. So we didn't know, like we didn't get it easily, but after watching all of his films, we will get it. A few more things, but not many. Like not
Yeah.
many people loved Cartavali Day in theater. Only few people loved it in theater. Yeah, but lot, but
Yeah.
whenever Manisha film is coming, everybody will wait, okay. But then they watch it and they don't like it.
Okay.
Okay, for films like Kadal or Ravan
Okay.
or even Cartavali, it has a
Uh,
genuine hype, and then it didn't like the big didn't like.
okay.
But whenever his film is coming,
One
it,
problem with these films is we realize after 2 to 3 days that this film has these elements. So to people who depends on talk, these films don't work. People who depends on talk because uh, people can't say instantly that this film has these elements and stuff. Go and watch it. They'll say after 1 week or something like that. So it takes time. Then it's up they'll stop screening. That is only a big problem with Manisha films for general audiences.
okay, okay, I don't know anything to ask. Do you have any? So, or we just
Do you
finish
have
up?
any
Sorry? Yeah, okay, we'll do
the last
very,
last one? Do you have any
very
Telugu directors impact on you? Like
yeah, I'm a very big fan of
anyone?
Rajamouli. Okay, I'm a very big fan of Rajamouli, and I really like
Raj?
Anthony Davis, Alamouli, and OBV. I watched OBV in theater. That is the first Telugu film I watched in Telugu, not in Dutch. Okay, that is the first. Okay, so I love two films. Okay, and Tarun Bhaskar and yeah, and the guy who directed
That's right.
Mahanati, the guy who directed Mahanati, Ganapati
Nagash.
Subramanian, yeah, Nagesh, yeah,
Nagash.
yeah, I love his films. Like, yeah, and
Yeah.
older directors like other means like Puri Jagannath, yeah, Puri Jagannath.
Yeah.
I love his film. And Trivikram, I love few of his films. I don't like a lot of his films. Like I love Aravikund Prabhu. I love
Yeah.
Atadu. Yeah, I love even Kaleja. Kalija.
Kaleja.
Yeah,
Kaleja
yeah.
is fantastic film.
Yeah. It was Maestro was hilarious in the film. I don't know how. Like I haven't seen Maestro was this good.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
yeah, I don't know why it didn't work.
Yes.
It's just yeah, the other things was okay, but still like how he's making these much funny, these much jokes.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
yeah,
Yes. Yes.
and other than that, I loved Attack Therapy. Okay, it was even in Tamil, it was very bad, but like in Telugu, there is only one fountain film I love. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
yeah. And Son of Satyamurthy, yeah. I really Samantha and Nitin.
Vikram. Ah, ah, ah,
Ah,
yeah, that's cool
yeah,
film. Yeah, that's
yeah.
a cool film.
And this film was okay. Like that, Son of Satyamurthy was okay. And yeah,
Yeah,
and I think here a lot of people like the Srikanth Adala. Okay, I don't like this film. I watched two films, like two Mysore films that
yeah,
Sitama Vakilo Sirumali Chittu and Ramotham.
right.
I got irritated, like what the hell are you doing? Like I don't,
Yeah, yeah.
it's not my kind of film.
Brahmotsvam is
Like
Brahmotsvam is completely a disaster.
yeah, one good thing
Disaster
was
regarding
in
Shore and
these
Shock.
films was Mickey J. Mayer's music. I'm a very big fan. I think he's very underrated.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, he's
Yeah,
underrated.
he
And
did a lot of
also,
great films like Happy Days,
yeah,
right?
yes,
Happy Days,
yes,
Aha,
yes, yeah.
and Sita Maki to Srimali Chitu was a very good album still, and Aha was a good album. Yeah,
Yeah,
OBB was a
Sriram
fantastic
Vagitlo
album
is
too.
a good film for us because we can
Yeah,
relate to our nativity. So it's completely regional sort of
okay.
thing. Yeah.
Yeah, even like, a lot of people loved here. I said I don't like that because one of my
Okay,
friends said,
okay.
yeah, it was a very good film. Why didn't you like it? Why
Yeah.
didn't you like it? Yeah, yeah, it didn't work. Yeah, I really love Nenapadi that
Oh, that
director.
was Hollywood level. Yeah,
Yeah, it was a good
but it,
film.
it
Yeah,
doesn't work here because
yeah,
people yeah, are not updated at that time.
yeah. Mm, yeah, that's it. Okay.
Yeah,
And yeah, thank you for watching this video, Krish. Yeah, yeah, it was a wonderful talking to you. Yeah,
yeah. I'm feeling the same.
yeah,
Since you're a Tamil guy, I wanna end up by saying a Tamil dialogue. Just couple of dialogues I remember.
yeah,
நான் ஒரு தடவை சொன்னா 100 தடவை சொன்ன மாதிரி. Is that right?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Uh, உலகத்துல எவ்வளவோ பணம் இருந்தும் நான் ஜெர்சியா லவ் பண்ணேன். Right?
yeah,
Thank you. You wanna say
yeah.
if it you you uh, just say it in Telugu.
I don't know dialects in Telugu, but I can say like now recently, yeah, I think the recording will stop. Okay, so
Yeah,
yeah,
fine,
yeah, the
fine, fine.
chitti that okay. Now once lo ఏమందో మీకు అర్థమైతే లేదు this
Okay,
chitti.